Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by signing into the specific Google account you plan to clean up. This ensures you don't remove access from the wrong profile. Once signed in, go directly to My Account. Google.com, then open Security and scroll to Third-Party Access. This is where Connected Apps live. Make sure you can receive verification codes because some changes prompt re-authentication. Now that you're on the third-party access screen, look for the list of apps with account access and get ready to revoke permissions one at a time. You'll methodically review each app listed. Click an app to see what it can do with your account, like reading emails or accessing Drive. If an app is unused or unfamiliar, click Remove Access. This revokes tokens immediately. Make sure to check when access was granted and what permissions were given, because some entries persist even after uninstall. Once you've removed everything unnecessary, consider changing your account password and enabling two-step verification to block any lingering sessions or refresh tokens. After revoking access, refresh the third-party access page to confirm each app is gone. Sometimes UI delays require a reload. Next, check devices in security and sign out any unfamiliar devices to close active sessions. If an app still appears or keeps reconnecting, remove it from the app's own settings and change your Google password to invalidate old tokens. If problems continue, clear your browser cache or try incognito mode. As a last resort, contact the app provider for token revocation assistance.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.